Hello everybody, welcome to HHPL's Grab and Go. I have a wonderful craft to show you today and you're going to love it just in time for Valentine's Day, which is only not far away. So what you get in your kit are some papers like this. They kind of look like pizzas and pizza toppings. Here we go. All right, so I have pre-cut out some of the toppings. We've got pepperoni and mushroom. You don't have to have that on your pizza. You could put whatever you want on your pizza. So we'll do that after though. So let's get started. I have cut out the cheese part of the pizza and I'm going to continue to cut. You just go all the way around. Kind of make it wavy like real melted cheese. And I'll push it off to the side. And then there's this little dotted line here. So we do have to cut along it. Not the whole triangle, just the one kind of slice. And we're going to fold it back because that's going to be our little peekaboo area. Then you also get a fastener like this in your kit. So we're going to use that right now. Might as well. Right in the middle of our pizza. I'm going to poke a hole and use this fastener. We're going to open it up on the other side like so, and then we've got our pizza here, but it doesn't really look like a pizza, so let's start gluing some toppings on. We've got pepperoni to glue. We have lots of pepperoni. We have mushrooms, more pepperoni. Again, you can always draw on some of your favorite toppings. That'll make it even more creative. Mushrooms, these are my favorites. I also like green peppers, and I think I'm gonna draw on some of those. Do a few more pepperonis and mushrooms, and then start going for the pepperoni. All right, let's put those aside, and we could draw on our pepperoni. I'll show you what I mean. You could just do like little rectangles that kind of look like green pepper. Did I say pepperoni? There we go. It really does look like green pepper. There. Now we've got some lovely toppings on our pizza. Whoops, our pepperoni fell off, just like real pizza. Okay, so then you're going to give it to somebody that you want to share this lovely Valentine with, and it says, "You've got a pizza, my heart." And then they're going to turn this little wheel, and underneath it's going to say, "To and from." So I'm going to give this one to my son, to Jet, from Mom. I've got his name in there. And then there's a few other places you can put in your own little message. So here it says, "I adore you." And you could also color it in if you want. Love is, what is love? I'm going to write something here. Let's say, love is seeing you laugh. He has a great laugh. So you could put in your own little message. It could be anything at all. And there's more messages. "I have so much room in my heart for you. The best thing about you is," and there's so many things that are great about so many people. It's hard to pick one, but you could just pick whatever you want. "The best thing about you is everything. Your smile, your laugh, your sense of humor, your kindness." So many things you could put. No matter how you slice it, you're the best. And that's it. There's our fun little Valentine. You could even do some hearts on there. There we go. Make it really Valentine-y that way. Okay. Enjoy, everybody.